Hello, Norman here. We're going to be bird watching during lockdown. What do we have here then?
Oh, they're geese. We do love geese. It's a pigeon. Some people call pigeons rats with wings. I don't. I call a pigeon a pigeon. It's a crow. Did you know a lot of crows were called a murder? Fascinating stuff. Oh, if I'm not mistaken, it's a house sparrow. Wow, Norman loves kites. It's a beautiful looking kite. Oh, that's a tasty bird. Bloody Parkinson's. Anyway, where were we? Oh, look at that. It's a blackbird. Terrific stuff. Oh, and there you have it. That's a magpie. They can be vicious to other birds. Thank you for bird watching with Norman. Don't forget to hit the like button. Take care. Goodbye.